I don't want them going like, I don't want them going like that. It's enough, man. I don't know where Rasta. It's enough audience, no further the Rasta come. Then, I'm going to mix up their ugly self. They really look fucked up. But you know, I seen upon them. I send sin, man, sin upon them. You know? So, they can't look good. They always fight against the another brother. They can't fight against another brother, man. And another brother need a piece of bread. You talk fuckery against him, you know, give him. You know, just me go to the street there and see all the madman them. Then come and they ask me for all, ask me for money, me give them, you know. I not give them a stone or iron to eat. We can't do that. We one people, one black African people. We are going to do. And that called the crime in Jamaica, in Jamaica, yeah. Yeah, man. But one thing we can't say now, big up the doctor, the nurse, the police, the everyone, the soldier, because they have to work. Hard, just working hard. And keep on them with them focus. Because, boy, lots of things going on. Every time nurse, doctor, nurse, the whole of them have to help us. So big up the whole of them. Police, doctor, nurse, soldier, other clients, we work there also, the nurse, them, everyone. So their good work what they're doing in Jamaica. Especially to the officer them in Jamaica.
Not an easy job.
Not an easy job. Also Andrew Holness, not an easy job. But you hold your whole boy. What am I gonna do? Andrew Holness, you must have bought that video. What am I gonna do, Andrew Holness? You know when you hold somebody, you just hold him, you know. What am I gonna do? One continue your good work, man. Both the two prime ministers, the two party. I say you wanna do good work. So no rush, no haste, no nothing. Everybody just smooth and watch timely what's going on. Big up all the society in Jamaica and the Caribbean. So man I make video and then I nice up the part of the society them, but big up every society, man. Teacher, we help the kids them in school. Yeah, man, big them up, man, everyone, man. Big up, teacher, big up, bless up. To make the children then come educate just like you. From not on gunman and robber and all them. Once you're teaching, once you go to school, you will be alright. But we can't stop you if you even left school, because only for educated man, a ton gunman from we. Yeah. Only somebody have to know, say, oh, I'm living this life, I know say I'm not gonna trouble nothing for nobody, and make my parents then feel proud. So all no kids were going back to school September. Wanna make no kids proud. Some of you can't go, because when it gets September, you breathe and got belly. And I'm going to make problem for your parents. Parents and daddy say they consent. Where they in there? Where the father in there? The father not so bad. But where the mother in there? When you go breathe. You know, no need to get punishment. We need to try, you know. And I tell you, the guys them wear sex in the little young one, use a condom. Because you don't go fucking up their futures. That's not good enough. I'm going to, and breed, in drop back out of school. This is the way you have to learn today. You can't learn it again because you're pregnant and die hard. Mama bad. Mama balling say him at school, him just blow up the whole of him money. Why mama gonna do now? And mama may go to fucking trouble. And if not mama, did send him go sex, you know. At school, mama send him. Then he come back home. How you look so? How your belly look so? How you sleep so? Mama say you're pregnant? He say no mama. Mama say, how you look sicky so? You're pregnant? No mama. To the end of the day, the pumpkin under the bush there. So one day, you see the pumpkin show up. Because the pumpkin always hide. That is the belly. Mama always ask, nothing no go so. Well, the pumpkin soon come. Sit there. So you know where I got school. You know, for sex in a condom. And less problem. And stick to no lesson. Oh, if a boy run around. And that don't like. Oh, I have my boyfriend, this, that, yeah. Sooner or later, boyfriend. Look, so much now I go back to school in September. Yeah. I'm going to make a bad problem for people, for them parents at their yard. And antagonize the mother, because they say, mother had consent. You know. So that's bad. I don't have anything to breed, you know. I don't have anything to pregnant, you know. I'm done with the situation. I'm glad make uno know take care. I uno kids them, uno have them all over the place. East, west, north, south. Man. That's here I live, you know. Through the Almighty God, you know. King Selassie, JAH Rastafari.
Yes.
And I will just sit in, you know, and chant JAH all the time. I always see no one JAH to chant. She a big man a chant JAH much less. Big Asian Rasta man. But you know, these man, they still like the move. But the thing is this, Rasta no movement. So no man say, oh today you see him with the hair up there. I see a man come from prison within Rasta here, you know. And beard, you know. First of all, in shaving beard just like how you shave your beard, you know. I turn to him and say, you know what? When next? What next? I say, you like how you shave your fucking beard? Are the year next. And sooner or later, I cut off the year, you know, and be a bald head now. You ain't not going with nothing, man. You got to prison and come back with it, and then maybe see all the fucking bald head. All the fucking old Lucifer. And I enough like the sand on the seashore, you know. Some man say JAH. Some man say Alawi. Some man say all type, you know. But I just JAH, I say. Everybody know I just JAH. Say. You see me color? A natural height allows that, you know. Red, green and gold. No black. The black is the black. The black is strength, you know. It's we from the foundation. My philosophy, my color. It's real ice green and gold. Ethiopia symbol, not because I don't put a little purple in there, but maybe I put it at time. Give a little strip there, you know. Yeah, man. Purple color for Africa, you know.
Yeah.